As this antelope tried to hide, something dangerous was lurking nearby. A pack of wild dogs were looking for it. Nature could be so beautiful yet brutal at the same time. The antelope tried to conceal its location, but it was already spotted. One of the wild dogs came charging hard and bit it and dragged it out the water. Soon the whole pack joined in, and the poor animal didn't stand a chance. They pulled from all directions with greed, not even considering killing it first. They tore through its belly and started feasting. The poor animal didn't even stand a chance. Subscribe